We're very encouraged by the government's announcement of a growth in defence spending, bringing that back up to 2% of GDP within a decade. And we feel that the reviews of the Defence Capability Plan and the Force Posture Review and Force Structure Review that are going on will place Australia in a position where it will be recapitalising a lot of its assets, and we'll have an opportunity to contribute to that as the years progress.
Northrop Grumman Corporation's the largest subcontractor to Lockheed on the program. We do work across the entire platform, including the entire center fuselage, many of the doors that you see opening and closing and in flight. Buried in the heart of the aircraft, of course, is the software system. We write and are responsible for a lot of the software code that goes on the aircraft. Different parts of Northrop also provide the radar, the distributed aperture system, the navigation and identification avionics. We also do a tremendous amount of sustainment work. Right now, where every F-35 is flying, if there's a flight line, there's a Northrop Grumman employee there.
Blueprint for Affordability in the F-35 program is a U.S. Department of Defense initiative jointly with the industry that talks about how all of the industry partners and the U.S. government are committed to making the F-35 as affordable as possible to meet all the goals and in order to meet the customers' expectations and requirements. Australian suppliers, like all the other suppliers, will be part of this initiative and this effort to bring down costs, and they'll be a key player in making sure that the F-35 remains affordable to Australia and all the other partners.
The Navy's vision for our system is a complementary capability, a manned-unmanned teaming type of operation. The Australian Defence Force gets to leverage what our U.S. Navy has done to date. So we have a plug-and-play system that's capable of just moving into how the Australian Defence Force operates.
Our company is a very proud partner with Boeing and the Hornet Industry team. We produce the aft fuselage of every EF-NG. We produce what's referred to as the Airborne Electronic Attack Kit, the piece of the airframe that does the electronic warfare. So the sensing equipment and the communication equipment that's necessary to fight that airframe and support the other tactical fighters or men and women on the ground, that's the portion that we do. The Growler brings to the Australian Defence Force a phenomenal capability to really move beyond just where 1 + 1 airframe equals 2. It is a force multiplier. And really that was why there was such a great interest from the Australian Air Force in that asset.